This is a problem-solving recording sheet, and this is going to help you when you are doing your problem solving with word problems. Here's our problem. A fourth grader breathes about 90 gallons of air per hour. Shauna, a fourth grader, arrives at school at 8 a.m. and leaves at 3 p.m. How many gallons of air does she breathe at school? My first step in problem solving is to make sure that I read and understand the problem. So I'm going to read it again. A fourth grader breathes about 90 gallons of air per hour. Shauna, a fourth grader, arrives at school at 8 a.m. and leaves at 3 p.m. How many gallons of air does she breathe at school? Okay, I think I have it. So now I have to decide what it is I need to find. So looking at the problem, I have to find how many hours is Shauna at school. I know she starts at 8 and she leaves at 3. I need to figure out how many hours that is. Then I have to figure out how many gallons of air she breathes while she's at school. What do I already know? I already know that she breathes about 90 gallons of air per hour. So now I have to decide which strategy I want to use. Am I going to draw a picture, make an organized list, make a table, a graph, act it out, or use objects? I think the best way to solve this would be to draw a picture. So I'm going to draw a picture. All right, so I know that she is at school from 8 to 3. So 8 a.m., 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So from 8 to 9 is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5, 6, 7. So she is at school for 7 hours. And I know that she does breathe 90 gallons for each hour. 90 hours for 90 gallons for 7 hours. 7 times 9 is 63, and I need to make sure that I bring my 0 over. 90 times 7, 630. So my answer is Shauna breathes 630 gallons of air at school. To check for reasonableness, I want to make sure that my answer is what it's supposed to be. So I know that there you go. I know that 7 times 9 equals 63. And as long as I know that 7 times 90 equals 630. Just getting a little sloppy here.